everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Today is part 2 of unboxing from Wholesale Universe. I did a box yesterday. For you it'll be 2 days, whatever. And that box did pretty good. So I got 9 items, paid $120 for it. I told you guys that I would give you what the stats were, like profit, whatever, on this next video. So for that, the box cost me $110. I figured out, I only looked on eBay, I didn't look on Poshmark or Mercari for the counts on these. After fees, after shipping, after what I paid for everything, I will clear between $100 and $121. So just a little bit right around double my money. So that's about where, for something like this, I'd like to be. More is always better, but at least double is where I'd like to be. Not just make my money back, because it ain't working for free. So, come on up, assistant.
I play guitar.
Okay. Can't do a video without her, obviously. Apparently, I've tried. She won't let me.
No.
No.
She can't get away from me.
So please, everybody, if you like my videos, she will be here. Say hi to people.
Here. Hello.
Hello. Normal face. Thank you. Don't scare the people. No scaring people.
I can't.
Alright, so this is box number 2. It's supposed to have shoes, maybe accessories, some clothes. We'll see. It was supposed to be all new with tags. It was all new with tags yesterday. So we'll see. Hopefully box 2 doesn't disappoint. Alright, you ready?
I can't stop laughing.
Okay, now yesterday the box was filled with packing paper.
It's not today.
Today there's no packing paper, but I do see shoes. We'll save those for last.
Hopefully there's accessories. I like those.
So let's see. Here is a manifest. They do come manifested. So when you buy them, they're not manifested. Like when you go to buy the box, you don't know what you're going to get. But when they send you the box, they do send you a manifest. It tells you. Also, it does tell you at the top. I noticed after the video that at the top it tells you what the total retail value of the box was. So the other box that I unboxed and uploaded yesterday, the retail was $885. I thought it was only supposed to be $700, so that was good. And this here, it says the total retail value is only $688. So the other one, it was way above. This one's a little bit below. Also, the last one had 9 items. This one has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So a couple items less. So let's get started.
There's a clothes in it.
Yes, it's all clothes. Clothes and shoes.
What about accessories?
I don't see any accessories.
You said there's a sex.
That's what the thing said. I can't.
Mother,
What?
the whole reason why I wanted to make a video with you
Yeah?
is for accessories.
It's for the accessories?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Okay, so this here is a Nordic Lights
Paper.
Tommy Hilfiger. Let's see. Nordic Lights sweater. It looks like it's kind of like a, oh gosh, no, that was that turtleneck. Striped.
Not that kind of neck though.
Sweater. Size medium. Let's see, what's it made out of? I'm always curious. Alright, no, I'm not gonna be able to read that. That's too small and blue, but
I have a paper.
sure. So that's cute. Actually, we'll go with the pair of jeans that was in the box yesterday from the same brand.
What? Michael Kors? Was that Michael Kors?
No, that was Tommy Hilfiger. Okay, number 2. We have a Michael Kors top. Retail value says $78. That's cute. I like that.
Aww.
So it's kind of like a thermal knit material. It's got that there in the front, and it's got let's see, like cap sleeve detail.
I think that might be really good.
So and it is a size for anybody who's curious. Just a size small, but I like it.
It might be good. Why does it say $225?
So there's one thing in there. It's $225.
That was that thing.
No, that shirt there was only $79.
This
So,
is, what was Michael
does it say it's a
Kors?
Michael Kors?
Oh, wait,
Then there might be more than one Michael Kors.
There is.
Michael Kors.
78? Is that 78?
That was 78.
Okay, that's
Okay, item number 3 is Vince Camuto.
Camuto.
Let's see. Vince Camuto, size large.
It was $59, right?
I have no idea. I see a tie. I have no idea how this goes, people. Let's see. I think I got it. Do I got it? I got it.
No, you don't got it.
Okay, so it's block, size large. It's got like a detail in the front, like a wrap, like a bow. And yeah, it doesn't tell me what the retail value is on here because it's marked off. But it's cute. Alright, what's this? Is this an accessory? No, it's not.
No, I'm gonna look through the front accessory.
Alright. I don't think there's any accessories.
You lied to me.
I didn't lie to you, they lied to me. Alright, this is Calvin Klein. It says the retail is $129. Oh, yes. Kind of nice. I feel that.
What is it from?
Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein. It's just a dress, but it's like color block with browns. It feels like it's like a faux suede. And
It was $129 when I bought it.
yep, $129.
$129
Let's see.
total. 37 total.
I want to see if this actually is suede or if it's just like a faux.
What's a what?
Polyester, viscose, rayon. So no, not suede. It's a faux suede. Sleeveless dress. It's cute.
No, it's not.
Oh yes, it is. I like it. That's not cute. It's the lower end of Free People, so it's We the Free.
Free people.
78 retail, size small. I will not get nothing near that. But yeah, it's just a. Actually, I think it might be. No, it's not inside out. It looks inside out though. It feels inside out. Cause you guys can't see that from here probably, but there's like all these like weird like hems on the outside that make it look like it's inside out. Alright, one more top. Glad we didn't get any pants though. I don't like getting pants.
It is inside out.
No, it's not.
Yeah, but normally
It
they
looked
put the
like
tag
it.
in from the
Alright, this
inside.
is just a bar 3, like t-shirt, size medium, retail $40. Yep, just like it. So, yeah. Wish that would fit me, I'd wear it. It actually almost looks like it would fit me, don't it? No? It does to me. I'll try it on later.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
No, I
Last
want
but
to
not
open it.
least, no way. Michael Kors,
There's 200
pair of
There's
shoes.
200.
Says the sheet says these are retail $225.
That's what this says.
I see that. That's sparkly. Oh wow.
They sparkly.
Well, look at them.
What? Oh,
All right, so these are some awesome heeled boots. They're all sequin or not sequiny, but like glittery, and then they got like black studs
How many people died from this?
on the heel.
They are pretty.
Let's see.
You can try it on after this
No,
video.
let me see if I can see what size it is.
Let me try it on.
No. Does the sheet say what size they're supposed to be?
The what?
Does the sheet say what size they are?
No. 7 medium.
Oh yeah, size 7.
Medium.
Size 7 medium. So
7
hopefully, I mean these are cute. They're all
Did
brand
you
new,
not
still
look
in
at
the
the
box. Oh, I didn't say on the bottom.
Yeah.
Ah, silly me. So I mean, hopefully I can get like $100 for these, and hopefully these pay for the box. That'd be great. So that's everything. So 7 pieces.
Oh.
You just opened, so like this.
No, but I won't put it on.
No. Alright, that's the whole box. So I'm thinking I'll make my money back on this. What do you think? Think you'll make $100?
On just one pair of shoes.
Well, I don't know if these will sell for 100. We'll hope. Alright, everybody. That was box 2 from Wholesale Universe. I will have a link in the description box below that will tell you. So you can click on it. You can see what they have. They have pallets. They have these boxes. They have all kinds of stuff. So go on there, check them out, see what you like. If everything's supposed to be new with tags, so far they have been. I'm happy. I think these are really good. What do you think?
It says size 7 medium.
Okay, I was looking in the box. All right, everybody, have a great evening. Trying to keep these short and sweet. We'll have some more boxes here in the next week, maybe a thrift haul on Saturday, and I will talk to you guys later. See ya. Gotta wait for her to go shut the video off. Professionals here. Bye.